I explained to him that this PG exam is being made compulsory for all affiliate colleges also, which is affiliated to the central university. Now there are colleges which are 200 kilometers away from Nehu, and the students in those areas may never apply or may never even go to Nehu or don't have any intentions. They intend to be in the college in their district or in their constituency or their area. Therefore, why should those students have to go and appear for this exam? And that's when Minister he said that all the colleges that are private or funded by government, state government in terms of aid being given to them, grant being given to them, they will not have to, the students who are applying to those colleges will not have to appear for the central and he said that except the ones who are planning to go to Central University or the ones who are planning to be in some college in Nehu. Nehu has got a law college, Nehu has got agriculture. So anything within the Nehu college, the two campuses that they have, those students will have to appear for the Central University entrance test. But all the other affiliate colleges, including the government, the private, the aided, the deficit, they will not have to. The students who are applying to those colleges, which is mostly 90% of the students who are from the colleges, they will not have to appear for the Central University entrance test anymore.
Whether this assumption is only for this year or
it is going to be till whenever. I mean, it's not. There's no time frame. I mean, basically, the colleges that have nothing to do with the admission within Nehu itself, they will not have to appear for exam, at least for this year, next year, and for the next years to come. So the only point that was mentioned was that slowly and steadily, whatever arrangements have to be taken or decisions have to be taken in the future, we will decide. But as of now, whether this year, next year, or for the years to come, the colleges which are not directly under Nehu in terms of in the campus, the students will not have to take the exam.
Because even if PG process, the similar system will be applied.
So again, it all applies to all those things. The point is that if you are a college within Nehu campus and within the entire academic setup of Nehu, you will have to appear for the Central University test, entrance test. But if you are not, again I'm repeating this, the third time I'm repeating, that if you're not a part of that campus and that college, and if you just affiliate to Nehu because you have to affiliate to a university, you will not have to appear for the Central University. Right?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. So basically everybody's exempted.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, that's really what is important.
Could you advise me what accommodation arrangements have been made for the candidates?
So I cannot speak for everybody, but obviously I've been getting pictures and messages from the athletes because I happen to be in touch with quite a number of them, and they've thanked me for the step taken. I told them it's not me, it's the MSOA. They have realized what they're challenging from there, and they've made the arrangements. And as I said, they're happy. But of course, it can be improved even further. So we will continue to improve. And I hope that we all will learn from this. Most importantly, the organizing committee will learn from this and will ensure that in the future, as this game becomes an annual event, will ensure that it becomes better and better. Actually, I don't want to talk about it now because it's not appropriate for me to say all these different excuses. But you're right that those toilets actually were not meant to be used. They were toilets that were locked because of the fact that they were unusable. But somehow somebody opened it up and took pictures, which is again unfortunate. But again, as I said, I'm not here to play games or blame. We're here to play real games and not play games like this to blame each other. I think it's important we move forward now, and enough has been said about this and talked about this. What is important is the games, but we will continue to ensure that wherever there are small shortcomings or big shortcomings, we'll ensure that we take steps to rectify. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Good luck. And camera guys, go up next to the mic.
Garo lo Meghalaya mo. Meriam dah. Chat. Garo. Traditional dance kita. Sana, diam. Donal ni video Donal lah.
Bye.